In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Power BI. By the end, you'll have the Power BI app installed in Monday.com and ready to embed reports right inside your boards, so your team can view insights without leaving their workspace. First, sign into your Monday.com account and head to the home view. We'll start in the Marketplace, which is where all add-ons live. At the very top of your screen, click the small puzzle piece icon. That opens the Apps Marketplace. In the search bar, type Power BI. You're looking for the listing called Embed Power BI for Monday.com. This is the official app that lets you display interactive Power BI reports within a board or dashboard. Click the listing to open its details page, then select Install App. If you don't see the Install button, you may need admin permissions or approval from your administrator. Next, you'll be asked where this app should be available. You can allow it on all workspaces or limit it to specific workspaces. Choosing all workspaces makes it simple for organization-wide reporting and avoids having to reinstall later. If your company prefers tighter control, choose specific workspaces, click Choose Workspace, and select the exact spaces where reporting is needed. For a smooth start, select all workspaces for now, then click Install. After installation, you'll decide where to use the app. Choose a workspace, then pick the board where you want to embed your Power BI content. This places the app as a view or widget within that board so your team can see reports alongside their tasks. When you've selected the right board, click Add App. Monday.com will add the Power BI app to that location and load its panel for configuration. From here, you'll complete setup inside the app panel. Make sure you have a Power BI report already published to the Power BI service and that your viewers have access in Power BI. Permissions in Monday.com don't override Power BI security. If your organization uses row-level security, that will carry over as well. Keep in mind, some plans or tenants require you to sign into Power BI or provide a report link or embed URL during configuration. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you're testing access, use a non-admin account to confirm teammates can view the report. If you later want to restrict where the app is available, revisit the marketplace settings and switch from all workspaces to a specific set. And if performance feels slow, try reducing the number of visuals on the report page you embed. That's it. Your Monday.com environment is now connected to Power BI and ready for data-driven collaboration.